Tips to stay healthy when dining out. If you go out to a restaurant to eat, you probably watch your calories very closely. To assist you with your calorie watching when dining out, these tips will help you make the most of it. 1. Always order salad dressings or sauces on the side, as this way you have control over how much you add to your meal. 2. When you order grilled fish or vegetables, you should ask that the food be grilled without butter or oil, or prepared with very little or either or. 3. Anytime you order pasta dishes, be on the lookout for tomato-based sauces instead of the cream-based sauces. Tomato-based sauces are much lower in fat and calories, and tomato sauce can even be counted as a vegetable. 4. You should always try to drink water, diet soda, or tea instead of soda or beverages that contain alcohol. 5. If you order dessert, share with a friend. Half of the dessert will equal half of the calories. 6. When you choose a soup, remember that cream-based soups are higher in fat and calories than other soups. A soup can be a great appetizer, as most are low in calories and you fill you up pretty fast. 7. When ordering a baked potato, ask for salsa instead of sour cream, butter, cheese, or even bacon. Salsa is very low in calories and provides a healthy alternative with plenty of flavor and spice. 8. When you are full, stop eating. Listen to your body and what it tells you. 9. If you get full, take half of your meal home. The second portion of your meal can serve as a second meal later. This way, you get 2 meals for the price of 1. 10. If you're looking to eat less, order 2 appetizers or an appetizer and a salad as your meal. 11. If you get a choice of side dishes, get a baked potato or steamed vegetables instead of French fries. 12. Always look for food on the menu that's baked, grilled, broiled, poached, or steamed. These types of cooking use less fat in the cooking process, and are usually much lower in calories. 13. Plain bread or rolls are low in both fat and calories. When you add the butter and oil, you increase the fat and calorie intake. 14. As key ingredients to your meal, choose dishes with fruits and vegetables. Both fruits and vegetables are great sources of dietary fiber, as well as many vitamins and minerals. 15. Choose foods made with whole grains, such as whole wheat bread, and dishes made with brown rice. 16. If you crave dessert, look for something with low fat, such as berries or fruit. 17. Always remember not to deprive yourself of the foods you truly love. All types of foods can fit into a well-balanced diet. Also check these suggested videos. Please like, share, subscribe and hit notification bell.